Let's make a delicious birria sandwich on the Blackstone Griddle. We're going to start by setting our pellet grill to about 270 degrees to let that preheat. In the meantime, I'm going to take a chuck roast and I'm going to season it up. I'm just using some basic seasoning here. You really could use whatever you want. I'm also going to use my wireless meat thermometers here by Inkbird to help me keep track of the internal temperature. Now I have way more chuck roast here that I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm also making a couple other recipes while I'm doing this. So once that pellet grill is preheated, we're going to throw those chuck roasts onto that pellet grill and let them cook for about 3 hours until they reach about an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Once we've reached that internal temperature, I'm going to use my Dutch oven. I'm going to pull that chuck roast out and put it directly right there into that Dutch oven. I'm not going to be making this the traditional way because I'm in kind of a hurry. So I'm going to use these viral birria bombs. These are just seasoning bombs that have been kind of compacted into these spherical shapes. We're going to use one of these bombs for this chuck roast, and we're going to add about 4 cups of water to this Dutch oven. Then we're just going to seal that back up and put it right back on the smoker and let it go for about another 3 hours. After 3 hours is up, we're going to pull that out. That birria bomb will have completely dissolved into that water, and that chuck roast should be falling apart tender. You should be able to just pull it apart with your hands and shred it up with your hands. Now I'm going to separate my consommé from my shredded beef. I'm just going to use a strainer here over a pot and pour my consommé into this pot to kind of warm it up. In the meantime, I'm going to prep my toppings. I'm going to do this by dicing up a fresh sweet onion. I'm going to chop up some fresh cilantro. Then on a preheated griddle, I'm going to throw down some large Artisan sourdough bread. I'm going to top that with a hefty amount of my Oaxaca cheese. And then I'm going to pile that high with some of that shredded beef. Then I'm going to top that with my diced onion and my fresh cilantro. Add a little bit more cheese and then top it with my other piece of bread. I'm going to let that toast completely on both sides, flipping it once. Then when it's nice and toasty, I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to serve it right alongside some of that consommé. Go ahead and cut it in half, give it a good dip in that consommé. That gives you that full flavor. This is my favorite way to serve that birria beef. You guys should give this a try. Let me know if you do in the comments. Till next time, thanks for watching.